What's the point? Like, I don't even... You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that.
Hey there, if you don't know me, my name is Maria and I like to make technology videos on the internet. And this weekend I'm going to my 6th hackathon of 2021, which is called Who Hacks, and it's going to be run by the University of Virginia. So I'm going to be attending with 3 boys who are all from my university and they're all older than me. And yeah, it's pretty exciting because I've worked with one of them before in my previous hackathon, and another one I'm friends with, and then the third one I've never met before, but he seems pretty cool. So we're going to try to be using Golang and also Swift to like do the front end, so Golang for the back end, and then one of them wants to do blockchain, so we're going to try to combine all these things to make a cool app.
Funny how the rest won't come in. Funny how you back for loving. I got one too many tricks on my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy.
No one knows how to join their Facebook Live, like opening ceremony. I don't even know if they started yet, but I've never even used Facebook Live, so we'll see how that goes. I know people are complaining that the thing is on Facebook and you need a Facebook account to do the opening, to like attend the opening ceremony, and yeah, that makes sense. Like there were a lot of other options, like why not just use Zoom or like Discord or something? Oh wait, I'm actually confused. Why is this Zoom? Why is this like a Zoom thing? But it's being broadcast to Facebook Live. Like what? Like couldn't we just have gone into this Zoom? Like I'm so confused. This is how people greet each other in 2021. There's pog all over the place.
Funny how the rest won't come in. Funny how you back for loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve.
Sus coins or green coins. I don't know. What should we do? I like that. Yes, compromise.
Funny how the rest won't come in. Funny how you back for loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy. What pops in me? More stream shots in me. The streets are free. Go ahead and take from me.
So we're not going to use this Postgres. We're going to use Google Cloud.
We're probably going to use Postgres, but it'll be a different one on GCP.
Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, so we need Firebase. So we're right now defining some of the endpoints that we're gonna need. So we need Firebase will handle the auth stuff, so register and login, so we don't need to worry about that. We have a profile, so getting the profile and updating it with like the number of tasks they have completed, how much money they have stored, and then we have like getting a task, posting a new task, deleting a task, and getting all of the tasks so we can have a list of all of them. And then also like donating money, so like when someone completes a task, we need to somehow send money from one person or organization to another person or organization. Now we need to actually make like a routes file to actually define all of these functions. Okay, I'm hungry. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's 2 p.m. I haven't had lunch, so I have brought food. This is my lunch. Mashed potatoes, spring rolls. So basically we met, and then for like an hour and a half we were just trying to figure out what our idea is. Because we had an idea of using like a blockchain, and we're still trying to do that. We're gonna do that after. But we basically want to make this iOS app like for the front end, and then it's going to be able to have people sign up as a user or as an organization. We have to do a verification process for that. And we want people to post tasks that are like related to sustainability, like something good for the environment or good for like the community, like according to the UN sustainability goals. So when they do that, then they can get these coins. So like there's an internal system of coins, and what you can do with those coins is that we're thinking maybe you can redeem them for gift cards, or you can just like request like for someone else to do another task for you. So if you're a user, you're not going to start off with any coins. Only if you're an organization that's verified, you're going to have like 100 coins, like our internal like our own internal cryptocurrency essentially. So I don't know, that's our idea for now. We'll see if we can actually do it. And yeah, we're just having fun right now. It's pretty interesting. I'm learning a lot. Okay, so in task, what we need is the user or organization name. So I guess just put name. Yeah, string name. Or is this created by, what the heck? Yeah, sure. And then a date. So that's gonna be, I don't know what the date time. And then a number of coins. Yeah, so we defined the structs that we need, and now we can do the route. This looks very beautiful, Ari, for like the bottom part.
Thank you. That's all I have done so far.
So, home tasks, post verify. Look at this amazing spacing. The most important thing, priorities, right? Yo, dark mode and light mode. This is pretty. I like the dark mode. It reminds me of Well Simple.
Public eye.
Okay, I'm doing Alan's work of creating the SQL queries because he's bad.
Thank you. I am
Yes, you're bad. Now Alan and Akin are struggling trying to get Google Cloud Platform to be set up. Data grip. So cool. Trying to add in a new like struct, and Alan's making the corresponding table for it, and it's like tasks accepted because we need to keep track of like the status of each task. So is it like it's like waiting for people to accept it? Is it accepted? And is it completed? So it's like 0, 1, and 2. Now I'm trying to do the function for accepting a task and like the corresponding SQL query. So yeah, everything's connected. And then Ari is trying to make this look less ugly because this is a sad dashboard. Okay, actually we changed our minds with the status stuff because we're like, well, we can just do a subquery. So just return all the tasks that aren't in the other table for like the tasks accepted already. Also, we need to work on how to add coins to organizations because we were thinking we can give them like 100 coins for free initially. But yeah, we'll change it from coins to an actual wallet once we get the like actual like cryptocurrency stuff set up. I want to go on a walk because I have been lazy all day just sitting at my desk. And they all did exercise in the morning except for me, which I was lazy, so now I have to exercise.
Got no ties, we're running out of time, so I'll be home tonight. I'm coming home. Come right back.
So right now, Ari is working the front end. Akin is trying to like fix up our stuff because so our Docker can run properly and then we can test things on Postman. And then since there's nothing really to do, I'm like helping Akin and also starting the slides. So then Ari's like, Maria, you just start the slides. I said, fine.
With you right now. Wanna be with you right now, 'cause I'm coming home. Yeah.
So we finally got things running on Google Cloud Run, but we can't test anything because none of us have like iOS devices, so we can't test it through Ari stuff. So now we're just going to use the other product I use on my other hackathon to get through to Firebase so we can actually test our routes on Postman. Maybe this doesn't make any sense, but we need to be authenticated to be able to use our other things. So we need to somehow do the login. So I'm just using another front end of an app that I did at a previous hackathon.
Come right back to me. I'm coming home. I just wanna see you, wanna be with you.
Okay, so for some reason, our stuff isn't being sent to the database, like for the profile specifically, so the put isn't working. Or it's like an update. I want it to be a create and update, but that is not working, so Alan's trying to fix that. And then Akin is getting started on this like Medium article that we found for how to do like a blockchain within Go. So it's like a hash linked list. It's pretty cool, so he's going through that. He doesn't understand anything he said, but he's doing it. That's pretty funny, so we'll see how that goes. And Ari is missing. I don't know where he went. While Alan is going through and changing the stuff that me and Akin did while he was eating dinner.
It feels like
100. Okay. So we got all of our routes to finally work. Yay. What time is it? 11:02.
and it feels like home. When I'm with you, it feels like home.
Alan is being so bad. He implemented the cryptocurrency and he's like, oh, I don't want to test it because it's not gonna work. Spent all this time on it and we're like, yeah, we want it to make it work with crypto, and he's like giving up already. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's 1:16 a.m. and now it's up to Ari and Alan to finish the front end stuff, and then I'm gonna wake up at like 8 and then film like the video. Okay, I think all the boys are asleep now. Ari and Alan stayed up pretty late, and then now it's my job to write a really good dev post, and later I'll film the video because I already made the slides. So I'll film the video for that and then get Ari to send me the video of the demo, like of the app, because it's not done yet, so like we need to wait a few hours for it to finish. had to go and record a kid in Zoom while he was playing Pogo, literally on 2 cell phones, and he was trying to explain it because they said we had to get everyone in our team to explain stuff. So I'm having to explain like the tech stuff, and then I'm gonna do the intro, and then I'm gonna get Ari and Alan to do like a demo of that, but they're both like not responding to messages because they're evil. Ari is working on the front end and making sure that that works, and Alan is trying to fix up the back end part with like the actual like blockchain part of it. Honestly, I don't even know if that part works because he was like, oh, I don't know if it works. Like, oh my goodness. But at least we tried, you know? We tried doing it. It was a good idea. We did most of it. And it works with coins, but not like blockchain possibly. We'll see. But it was pretty cool. They said they're accepting late submissions until 12:45, so we have 15 minutes. I think it's only at like 42%. Oh my god. I am actually shaking right now. It's at 95%, and then hopefully I'll upload to YouTube. I can just put the link even if it's not fully uploaded. Oh my god, we only have a few minutes left. So stressful. Okay, we actually submitted and we're on time. Well, look how many participants are. That's so many people. Oh my goodness. And yeah, apparently they're gonna be doing judging like later, I don't know, like today and tomorrow, and then the closing ceremony is actually Monday at 8 p.m. So I guess we're done now. Okay, so it's Monday at 8:30 p.m. They were supposed to do their closing ceremonies now, but no, they pushed it back to 9 p.m. so I have to wait again. Just keep watching more of my ReZero Season 2 Part 2. Yeah, ReZero is such a good anime. You should watch it if you haven't. Alan randomly decided to rank all the different projects that are in the sustainability track, which there were 28 of them. He went through all of them and ranked us as one of the top tier ones. Well, we didn't win, and Alan is stunned about the project that won because it wasn't even on his radar. But wow, yeah. And yeah, I don't know. Whatever, we learned a lot. Who knows? It's a hackathon. Judging is always whack. We don't know what's up. Okay, it's the next day, so Tuesday. What was actually really funny is that people are like going off in the Discord about the prizes, like the projects that won prizes. Because they're like, who did this judging? Like, these people for the sustainability track like obviously lied in their video about what they said they did because they didn't actually implement any of that stuff, which is hilarious. And it's true that they didn't. Like, this is pretty whack. And then other people are complaining that they can see on YouTube on their analytics that only 3 people watched their video, and all 3 people were them. And then they're like, where are the organizers? Why aren't the organizers saying anything? And the organizer, one of them woke up and was just like, let us sleep. Like, and people are like, okay. Yeah, it's pretty hilarious. Like, this is pretty funny, and people are like, oh, this is such a shady hackathon, I'm not gonna go again. Which is true, I agree. And yeah, just what a great experience. Okay, quick update on all of this stuff. The organizer, or one of them, like the president, released a statement saying all this stuff about how it's like, oh, we need to respect the judges, like judging and that kind of stuff and their scores. And then one of my teammates, you can guess who, responded with this, and so did everybody else, who were just like, hey, like, excuse me, you look at the project that you gave a prize to. And yeah, that was pretty funny. And yeah, we're basically trying to get the organizers to own up to their mistakes and be like, okay, we need to figure out like why things didn't go the way we wanted things to, or why everybody's complaining. So yeah, hopefully they do that. We'll see.